Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Kathy, and I am super excited to share this card today because this is a celebration. I have reached more than 500 subscribers, and as a thank you, I'll be giving away a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll share more details about how to be entered to the giveaway a little bit later in the video. But to get started, I stamped the image from the Love You Bunches stamp set by Trinity Stamps onto a piece of Cougar Super Smooth cardstock. I used My Favorite Things Extreme Black Hybrid ink. Next, I placed a stencil on top of the stamped panel and just did some ink blending. For the stencil, all I did was run it through my die cut machine with a heart die from Honeybee Stamps, and I used blank stencil sheets to do that. I'll be sure to have that as well as all of the other supplies I used linked in the description box below. For the ink blending, I used a variety of inks from My Favorite Things, and I used a makeup brush for the blending itself. To be entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite stamp company is. Please make sure to leave your comment no later than April 7th, and I will announce the winner on April 10th in a video here on my channel. After I was done with all of the ink blending, I removed the stencil, and then I ran the stamped and blended panel through my die cutting machine with a stitched rectangle die. I had also cut a piece of black cardstock using a stitched rectangle die that was just slightly larger. I used my AdTech tape runner to adhere the stamped panel to the black cardstock. Next, I adhered a piece of black and white patterned paper to the front of a top folding A2 size note card. I adhered my stamped panel on top of that and then added my sentiment, which was stamped on Neenah Classic Crest cardstock with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I had run that through my die cut machine with a fishtail banner. And to finish up the card, I used Ranger enamel accents in black and just did a couple of dots here and there. And that finishes up my card for today. There's additional information regarding the giveaway in the description box below, so please be sure to read that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.